Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Please my channel, my subscribe and like, comment, share. Friends, my channel presentation, the total search engine optimization, digital marketing and social marketing guidelines, the motivational space and theoretical class and tutorial 1 to 10 minutes, the very important and touch very important topics, this description and the provide my videos and my lecture, my class, my tutorials. Please, how to digital marketing, total guidelines and search engine optimization and social media marketing. Present today's this videos, the 8 tips smart social media marketing from small business. Very important topics that your small business, how to gain the social media marketing and a lot of lot of tricks, but you are the best tricks that you are a small business, how to make money, gain money, lot of revenue earning for the social media marketing, the important smart 8 tips and small business. Key tell can always consider is key all this the social media, including your visual branding, publishing and scheduling and content quality. Why? With your social media marketing tools, you can regard your trends, speed and content creation and public and many more. Keep track your social media master so you can adjust your strategy when the necessary. Social media is the most important elements and modern the marketing strategy. Any articles, the program, your business, the social media mention this is the good scan record and shows the 74% the US audience last in the social network marketing in the best way to great easy to brand your message with your the mind. They use the social media marketing tips, the anal the growth and marketing effort. The 8 the number one, create and following branding guide audience. Why the first social media for a small business, creating and content marketing strategy. And there the launching and branding guidelines, there are guidelines are result difficulty how you brand look your frail. For example, they discuss with the color, font and tone, voice and sound used to social media contain. It is the always will take message and the valuable social sharing thought. Once the create, this is the guidelines, the tricks and the consider the small business and branding will help you create and the models and the depends brand extend the social media with your can great your social media brand awareness and the current growth and corruption. Do studies on brand shopping, growing more brand loyalties by this year. So you need content that is the unique your high engage and followers. Don't forget in creating the following brand the guidelines, and this doesn't matter publish out the same topics can easily we can take. Number two, the post high quality content and consideration. If you start the digital marketing tips before you have heard the purchase, the key and consumer response and consider and the consistent with is why obtain the small brand experience. One ever social media channel is the important. It is also why the following regular post, regular positive and the post schedule is link building. There is the high quality process and this doing in per week. The vertical that is site concise contain. We will one hope you grow your social media present if you have consideration high quality content. Don't post just great new content out of there. There are very last in social media content should you have clear message and other value the customer effective. He just engage the, for example, you're very if you're the running the land campaign, the business, the post mind education in trend and customer about performance scoring method and share discard and learning service. Create and content clear to time the provide planning, also more strategy post with helping your stake and your post schedule. Really on what is the turning join the conversion. You can help and adjusting how niche your brand and the organic content make your strategy and long time team. Build the responsive and with your targeted audience. Build relationship with your targeted audience. Understanding your targeted audience from the demography of the increase internet and the values in common, the social media marketing teach but or make your social pleasant and social successfully. You need don't more understand the potential customer. You need to engage with them. Tracking your response, the common message, the targeted posts and activities in social communication and social media. Use the post during the invite. There are following engaging with your S2Y relationship grow. You most loyal the followers many soon because their customers should spend more with your brand. Copy and paste common to your one post the next and meaning relation common here the high specific and perfect most and more likely and this follows and replies and select and single enjoy and gain content. Embrace and social media marketing tools. Social business own the managing event to social network can be good news that the more social media marketing assets tips and sending the days content jump between platforms. They are using digital tools, the stemming the content creation, automatic and publish and many more. Eco social media management tools is the host site and out of social can help show your the signification and auto modern times tools the you're defending who is the platforms and any platforms create and you're engaging follow the search and plays. Why you don't does videos exchange add the flattery and bricks friendly and high quality values and social media post. Number five, we will to experiment. We will be experiment the social media landings and change fast. Who is the everyone hard to easy on TikTok audience apply the condition because the most social platform apps store and including platform understanding and algorithm and throws in easy. Staying the relevant between the will experience to or no contain the format which is search and caption and the post difference time days and usually do you experience with setting. Number six, track your social media masters that the social media maintains. If you have experienced videos running and ad post using make and tracking the social media mistake last in week you must and if you the high quality good and post tools. So many social media management tools have analytic capsule so you can competitor research and your social platforms. Analytic caption who you can be can great company can great campaign make sure this tracking social media master is look in the social post and before is in social media management tools is analytic caption and competitor in reports. Number seven, optimize and each social media platform. Every social media network little defense with is the social media marketing tips in there can apply of platforms. Keep your mind strategy, contain the schedule, explain the social media channel, social media user in this the platform using for experience. TikTok hashtag. Twitter hashtag LinkedIn and Facebook version and which is specific then here or this stage The number eight, they'll finish the number eight, targeted niche and audience with and the influencer. Unpaiding the post will management get your buy content followers ad and micro influencer as two best easy more the people and brand broadcast and highly cost effective when helping and the inverse ROI. The social media ads only requires to pay you automatically receive the click in your birds so you're using new feed helping brand your recording with the great more feedback your back. The micro influencer play. This is the influencer too. Many have your thousand followers and higher the engagement rate. Your audience is this the niche and audience. Higher influencer without scenes and the performance influencer should you are able to provide subscribe engage and this the demographics. The friends very important the eight tips for social media marketing and in a small business. Eight tips is smart social media marketing for small business. Thank you my friend, thank you my watching my videos and subscribe like comment best of luck, thank you.